right, so we'll be starting with our tracheal shave and breast augmentation case today. We're going to feel it's a very thick calcified bump. We're going to have to use the drill today to make this nice. We will. She has a beautiful crease in her neck that we're going to use. I'm going to hide it in that beautiful wrinkle. Nobody will see it. Okay. Excellent. All right, so this will be the incision for the tracheal shave, very tiny. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mark midline first, which is right here. Now we're going to mark the mid breast line. Now the other side. Now we're going to mark the lateral chest line. Super. Now we're measuring what the nipples are going to do on stretch. Fantastic. Now we'll mark the incision. We'll look in this armpit first, gauze. Arm down. Beautiful crease right there. Other side, you can. Fantastic. This is going to be an amazing surgery. Okay? We're so excited to do this for you. Thank you for coming all this way. Welcome to the OR, guys. It is time for breast augmentation, then tracheal shave. Look over here, amazing person. Fuller, more volume, more perkiness. Get rid of the Adam's apple. Let's do it. All right, friends, our first step is to make the incision. So we're going to use a 15 blade. Now we're going to use a mosquito with the pickup. Then we're going to dissect towards the rib, but not in the rib. Now we'll go ahead and we'll get our numbing fluid. We feel the rib, but we don't go in it. We take this, we lift it up. On. All right, friends, we're now going to go ahead and open up the muscular pocket. I go along the rib, not in the rib, I glide along the rib. I push up, use my tool, gently lift the muscle up. Perfect. Then I'll go in with my finger and open the submuscular pocket, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and create our pocket and make cleavage. We take our breast dissector. This one is custom made. Go along the rib and up. There we go. All right, friends, we're now going to place the implant. On the right side, we're doing the smaller implant, the 400 cc. Excellent. You can see that going. All right. Yep. Thank you. You can come out with this. Take the air out. Fantastic. All right, friends, we're trying the tracheal shave now. Tina's going to give me perfect retraction. And we're going to make our incision along the neck crease. We put really good local here. Fantastic. Fire stick. And we're going to go all the way down. We're going to expose the Adam's apple. You can start seeing it right there. Yeah, perfect. The Adam's apple is almost exposed. We'll see what it looks like. We're releasing all what's called this perichondrium. You can see the right ala and the left ala. Beautiful. Let's release all this so we can see it clearly. Okay. What we've done is we've exposed the Adam's apple. It's right here. Now we're going to take our special drill and we're going to core it down as much as we can. Cautery first. Grab a little blood vessel. Now we're going to go ahead and gently drill this down. Then we're going to be really careful. If we even slip a little bit, we're going to be in the airway or a bigger problem. Millimeters matter here. Now we got the neck very flat and now we're just suturing everything closed. It looks fantastic. Alright guys, we did it. Breast augmentation through the armpit, silicone, tracheal shave. Look over here. Nipples line up, folds line up, upper poles line up, the trachea is flat.